What's up, everyone? Zach Friesen here. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin. I know we have not done a stream in a minute, but here we are. We are here. If you guys could please leave a like on the stream. It might take a little bit longer for people to get in here just because we haven't streamed in so long. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. We're going to be going over some Shiba Inu Coin news today. So if you guys are interested in all of that, go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to wait for a few more people to get in here. But yeah, how's everyone doing that's in here already? How's everyone doing today? I just want to know. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know in the comments. Michael Fowler won the David Riley Eli television show. What's up, guys? How you guys liking how Shib is moving today? Let me know in the comments. Whew. I already recorded my videos for the rest of today, so we're looking great here. We're going to be discussing a lot of Shib, guys. If you are tuning in the VOD, just waiting for a few more people to get in here before I get started, so you guys can just zoom forward a little bit. What's up, everyone? How is everyone doing today? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to send this out in our private Discord, and then we'll get started. Discord. 8 people in here. What's up? Who is popping in here so far? Going to announcements. I am live. Okay, guys. So if you take a look here, guys, our burn rate is up 71% in the past 24 hours, guys. That's putting our burn rate at about 35, or total amount burned in the past 24 hours at about 35. So that's good to see. 1 second, I am posting in our private Discord at everyone. There you go. Okay. Yes, our burn rate is up 72% in the last 24 hours, guys. That's putting our burn rate at about 35 million Shib per day. Yesterday, our burn rate, the amount burned was about 20 million. So just good to see this burn rate going up. Obviously, we want more than just 35 million Shib per day, but this is a good start. What's up, Pete? How you doing? You just come through, what's it called, from the Discord? I'm assuming that's where you came through from. A good amount of Shib news today. Actually, I didn't even really realize until I started making my videos for tomorrow that we actually do have a good amount of news for Shib. How are my plays doing from today? I really haven't looked at them because I plan to, hold those for about a day or two. Yeah, ZHG is me. Okay, got you. Ataku Man 4, what's up? How you doing? I like your Among Us thing. Yeah, let's take a look at how our trades are doing so far from our private Discord. I'm not going to show what we're trading, but I'm going to see what the percentages are right now. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know in the comments section below. Currently, we can go to statistics. Our total profit and loss is about 0.65% since my alerts, up about $212. Best performer is going to be Terra with 1.4% gains, and Decentraland is right on the edge. Thank you, LO. I'm good. Awesome. Okay, cool. We'll start talking about Shiba Inu Coin now. What are your thoughts on the Russian war? Do you think USA will get involved if this doesn't end? I really do not see the United States getting involved. The most that I can see them getting involved, obviously, if there was some nukes, some things could start really going bad. But I just don't see the United States getting involved. The only way they get involved is really with how they're doing it now with their trade. Stopping trade. The oil's the big issue right now, which is obviously why we've been seeing some downward pressure. But I don't see us actually putting boots on ground in Russia. I think that would definitely not happen. What's up, Dave from London? That's what's up. But yeah, okay. So Shiba Inu Coin down about 2.64% today. At one point, we were down about 6%, I believe, about 5% from the previous day. Now we're down about 3%, and I really do see us kind of making a reverse here, a reversal. Obviously, we are seeing some red candlesticks right now, but overall our MACD is kind of trending up, and I really just don't see us, going further past our downside at the 23 or 22.40. I just don't see that happening. But you see, we're starting to get, some red candlesticks, some green candlesticks. It's really trying to pave a way. Personally, I think we're going to start trending up on the MACD here. You can see if we zoom in real far, we are just slightly trending up on the MACD with the blue line crossing over the orange line. But overall, I do think we will be bullish going into tomorrow from these levels. So yeah, but I was just trying to wait a little bit longer to get into the Shib news before, but I think we are good to go now. So we can see here, Shiba Inu down 2.64%, burn rates at 72% up, and then you can see here Shiba Inu now has 4.5 million new potential holders. Are we in a Shib expanse? So I did go over this in tomorrow's videos. I already filmed them today. It's kind of how I do it. But are we in a Shib expanse? So what is this about? WireX, the London-based digital payments platform, has joined a long list of platforms to offer Shiba Inu tokens to its users. WireX users can now receive, send, and store and exchange Shiba Inu tokens throughout its app, wallet, and payment platforms. As per WireX's website, the announcement also mentioned Shib's offspring tokens, Leash and Bone. So I know pretty much everyone here is pretty much just here for the Shib news, and I'm glad that you guys are here. I'm very glad that you guys are here. But WireX has about 4.6 million users who are now potential Shib users. Shiba Inu's popularity across the web has led to many payment platforms accepting the Shib token as one of their listed assets. So 4.7 or 6 million users are now going to be able to transact with Shib on a daily basis. Obviously, we have this going with BitPay right now, which they do discuss as well. But yeah, guys, we have 33 people in here. If we could get the stream to 20 likes, that'd be super, super awesome. But yeah, if you had to guess, do you think 20% of the coins will be burned for Shiba in 2022? That's around where I would put it. Yeah, Peter, that's about where I would put it. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, probably in the plus or minus 5 range for that. So anywhere from 15 to 25%, depending on how well it goes. Possible. Yeah. But yeah, so WireX is a worldwide digital payment platform that was founded in 2014. In 2015, the company claimed to have created the world's first crypto-enabled payment card. So the fact that they were already, creating this card in 2015, and they have 4.6 million users, those users are willing to use crypto, spend crypto with this card. So it's just good to see Shib gaining some utility. I'm in Dallas, not liking the movement today. It's still going down. We need a pump. Yes, agreed. I do see, this as overall bullish movement ever since, we bottomed out here at around the 22.25 area. I see this as pretty bullish. Especially this green candlestick right here. For a moment there, we were going all the way down to 22.50, but this is actually pretty bullish in my opinion. I think going into tomorrow, especially us trending up on the MACD now, I just don't see us being lower tomorrow than we are today. What's up, Peter? How you doing? You just come through from the Discord, I'm assuming, or did you see me on the YouTube browse? Whatever it is, appreciate it. Great news. What's up, David and Riley and Eli television show? But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like. If we get this stream to 20 likes right now, I'll invest $10 into Shib like it's nothing. I'm already in a Shib trade for much more than that today. But I will invest another $10 live on stream just to show you guys my support. But I did spend a lot of money on different trades and investing today. So yeah. What's up, everyone? What's up, Peter? What's up? What's up? But yeah, so Peter, I think you just tuned in. So basically, WireX is basically it's a digital payments platform, and they now accept Shib. They have 4.6 million users. So these 4.6 million different users now could potentially use Shiba Inu Coin to transact on an everyday basis. Some other things that we have, obviously, BitPay recently announced that the Australian energy firm now accepts cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu, through BitPay. And then AMC, March 19th, is going to start allowing for people to buy movie tickets with Shiba Inu on March 19th. If we burned 20% of Shiba, what would the market cap be if it reached 1 cent? We could actually do that, I think. Ooh, wait, no, I'd have to do that in my head, I think. I don't know if there's a calculator for it. Oh, actually, no, I can easily do this. Okay. Shiba Inu calc. No stop loss, FTW. Hey, 40 people in here. If we get to 20 likes, I'm about to invest $10 into Shib, so go ahead and do that. So right now, if we were to hit 1 cent, I believe the market cap would be, 5.8 trillion. So if we were to burn 5.8 trillion, I'll just do a million. I'm an idiot. Okay. And then divided by, or it's actually times 0.8. It'd be 4.6 trillion. So, yeah. Diamond hands make millions in the future easy. Let's go, Albert. Let's go. Oh, I just realized I just changed. My bad, guys. But yeah, 40 viewers in here, guys. If we can please get this to 20 likes, I will invest $10 right now into Shib, and at 100 likes, I'll invest 25. Oh yeah, there's another piece of news I do want to go over though. So yeah, if you guys didn't see this, the Shiba Inu lead developer, or Satoshi Kusama, took some shots at Dogecoin, the Dogecoin creator, recently. So if you guys didn't see it, basically Satoshi Kusama took some shots at Billy Marcus, who used to be Dogecoin's. Oh, we hit 20 likes. Let me do that real quick, and then I'll get into this. If you guys don't know, we are sponsored by Public. So Public is basically a social investing platform, and that's what I'm going to use to buy this Shiba Inu right now. I believe I have money on here. Yeah, I do. Okay. And yeah, so, oh, that's a lot. 10. There you go. Cool. So I'm going to invest $10 into Shiba Inu with Public. It's that easy. It's very clean. Cool. Ooh, that's like a lot. Is Shib pumping right now? 1 second, I gotta check this. Oh, not quite. That was a bad order they got in for me. But anyways, Public is basically right here. If you guys don't know, Shiba Inu Coin, you can buy Shiba Inu Coin on Public, and when you deposit $1 on public.com, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. So I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago with that. So if you guys want to try out your luck, all you have to do is deposit $1 on Public, and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. You could literally sell it, invest into Shiba Inu Coin. Might as well try that out with that link in the comment section, or it's the second link in the description. But yeah, I figured I would just do that real quick. Now we can get back into the Shiba Inu Coin drama. So Satoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous programmer leading the development team of Shiba Inu meme coin, in a tweet late Sunday took a dig at Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus. Kusama said that unlike Marcus, who is no longer involved with the development of the world's top meme coin, he is not leaving the project that he is working on. Marcus is still active in the Dogecoin community, especially on Twitter, but no longer contributes as a developer towards the project. So yeah, basically what Satoshi Kusama is trying to say here is that, hey, if you leave your project, that doesn't exactly inspire confidence. Now, if Satoshi Kusama was to leave Shiba Inu, a lot of people might sell. And that's the thing with Dogecoin, they have come down from a 60-something billion dollar market cap all the way down to about a $15 billion market cap at one point. The same would happen if Satoshi Kusama left. So if Satoshi left, guys, that wouldn't be good for us. I don't think he will. That's something to, keep an eye out for. But yeah, I just figured I would bring this up. He says it shows the danger people like myself are in for fighting for decentralization and a world ruled by Decepticons. Regardless, despite anger, BS, and extortion, I will not give up until we carve out a new world despite the BS we face. So that's basically Satoshi inspiring confidence in the Shiba Inu community, which is very good to see. He kind of said this after, obviously, Andre... I don't even know how to say his name, but he left Phantom and Yearn Finance, which resulted both those coins to lose in 21% and 10% in the last 24 hours. So basically, let's hope Satoshi doesn't leave, is kind of the point of this article right here. But yeah, so Shib. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section, by the way. I'm pretty sure crypto will be accepted worldwide mid or early 2023 at this rate, and the overwhelming help towards those in need during this war is definitely giving crypto a great boost. See, I just don't see why Ukraine accepting donations in different crypto at this point would help crypto in any way. Maybe it inspires confidence that this could be used worldwide or whatever. Yeah, a little bit. Just nothing that would really pump the crypto markets at all, in my opinion. But it is a good. It's not a bad thing. Let me know in the comment section below where do you think Shiba Inu Coin will reach by the end of this year? Let us know. Obviously, we haven't had a good start to this this year with Shiba Inu Coin, but let us know in the comment section below where you think Shiba will reach. Do you think it will reach a cent, a tenth of a cent? Do you think it'll go down even further? Do you think it's only going to reach, all-time highs by the end of this year? Let me know in the comment section below, or in the comment section, wherever it is for you, what you think Shiba Inu is going to reach. Yeah, really, I've already gone over pretty much every piece of news with Shib today. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen this already, WireX is basically bringing 4.6 million users where they can use Shiba Inu Coin as a form of payment. So that's pretty good. And other than that, Shiba Inu has finally overtaken the FTX token as the largest held token by the top 100 Ethereum wallets. So about $1.6 billion is held by the top 100 Ethereum wallets, and then FTX token about 1.4 billion is. Yesterday, Shiba Inu only had about 1.42 billion, so we were just behind them. And now all of a sudden, 200 million has just been injected into this. So Shiba Inu, finally the biggest token position by dollar value on here. So it's very good to see. Definitely a penny buy this year. Here's the hoping. Here is the hoping. Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and join our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts. This gives you one-on-one interactions on Discord and Patreon. You guys can ask us whatever questions you may have. Also, first looks into new cryptos we're looking into, and then buy alerts. We did issue about 4 buy alerts earlier today, which I think will do extremely amazing. It's not too late to get into some of those either. So if you guys haven't already, go and join our private Discord. It's going to be in the comment section below, and it's also in the description, the third one. So yeah, just figured, guys, lots of buying opportunities in the market right now. That's all I got to say. But yeah. Oh, there's Gossip Shib. What is this about? If you had to choose only one coin, my Shib. I would like to inform you that I'm no longer part of the breed I left on my own, but I would like to continue to stick with Shib Army. I'm now just like Duncan Gray or Army Shib on my own, but hashtag Shib. I'm a very honest person and I never fake my support. Wow, so Shib, Gossip Shib was a 33,000 follower person on Twitter, and they have now left apparently. So not basically the breed is going to be the defense breed, which the different breeds are members of who are developing Shiba Inu. So apparently she has left as a developer, but will still show her support to Shib Army. Also, I would like to thank people from the breed. I have nothing but love for you. It's been it's beautiful, hardworking team who don't deserve nothing but love and respect. Wow, so this person just left. This is someone who tweets out a ton for Shiba Inu. Kind of sad to see Gossip Shib leave. Have you heard Luna LXN pre-sale going on? No. I have never heard of that. I do like Terra Luna, if that's what you're referring to. But, yeah, apparently this person is leaving. That's a bit tough. We do report on a lot of stuff they report on as well. So, dang. XLN. Don't know what that's about. Oh, by the way, guys, on public too, I do want to kind of note this. This is, you can follow us on public at It's Finance Bro. We post like updates on the market. You can see here when we invest in things on public. So obviously we do trades and investments in our private Discord. It's totally separate. But when I do invest in public, you can see our portfolio on here for both short term and long term. And you can see 8 minutes ago I invested in Shiba Inu. You can literally see when we invest. So if you guys want to follow us on there, go ahead and do that. And also deposit $1 in here just so you can get your $300 up to $300 worth of free stock. The links are in the chat and then also the second link in the description. But yeah, this is probably not going to be a long stream. So make sure if you guys have any questions, anything about the crypto markets, anything about Shib at all, go ahead and ask away. Probably only going to be about a 30-minute stream, so about 8 minutes left. So if you guys have any questions, right now's the time. And also leave a like on the stream as well if you guys haven't already. But yeah, let's take a look at this, how we're doing. We're actually doing pretty solid on technical analysis right now. Obviously, these two big red candlesticks kind of scared me a bit, but our volume is keeping up, and also our MACD, we are trending up as well. It's Luna 1. It'll be big. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. The RSI is only at about 49. So we could see gains all the way up to about the 24-ish in the next couple of hours. I really couldn't see 25-ish in the next couple of hours, but I could see 25-ish in the next couple of days. What month will Shibarium be released? There's no release date on Shibarium yet, sadly. Someone mentioning a Shib is on billboard in Times Square. Okay, yeah, so that's actually not Shib. I would like to note that. This is what you're referring to. This has nothing to do with Shib at all. This is a random token that paid for a billboard in Times Square, and basically is trying to get people to invest in it because it has a Shib name. But yeah, that is not Shib at all. Nothing about Shib with that. I don't know how they got the money to even get that up. We'll go under the 14. What do you think? No, that is a lot of bad things would have to happen in order for us to go below the 114. Like just going back on the 6-month chart, to get below the 114, that would be our next, I guess that would be our next support, but we'd have a support before that also, like at a hard support at the 1600 too. So there's no way we'd get a below the 14 level. Right now we're really looking at a support at the 2150 because obviously we broke this, but we also have a resistance here at the 23, which we're about to break. And this is a 3 white soldiers bullish candlestick pattern, but that is on the 6 month. I like to look at the 3 month for the most part, especially for trading. But we're actually looking very solid right now, especially if we can get a full candlestick above the 23. Where do you think she will be by 2023? What's up, Shaniqua? How are you doing? That's tough, man. I hate making like price predictions out that far, just because who knows where we're going to be at at that point. Like right now, only about 4% of the world is invested in crypto. So I mean, just thinking logically, right now the whole crypto market's worth about $1.7 trillion. If 8% is invested in crypto, wouldn't it be $3.4 trillion? And then how much of the market share is something like Shib going to take? These are all things that are really tough. But really, what you want to be doing when you're investing in the crypto markets is picking the best projects that are out, and just riding with it for a year. I trade here and there. I think today's a very good day to be trading. And I think it's going to be very beneficial for trading. But for the most part, I'm investing, and I'm not selling anything. A few that I'm invested in, heavily invested in Ethereum, Terra, Solana, AVAX, and then obviously I'll leave the rest for our private Discord below the top 10. But even if you just only held those four, those are going to do extremely well over the next year. And putting a price prediction on it is very arbitrary. But I will do to the best of my ability what I think the price prediction is going to be. But overall, I expect my portfolio to be up anywhere from 40 to 50% at the end of the year. Last year, my portfolio was up in the 120% range. But that was obviously a very, very bullish year. And it kind of tailed off at the end too. At one point, I was up about 230%. How much do I need in Shib to make $1 million USD? Probably 100 million Shib, because a tenth of a penny is much more doable than a penny, I will say. But do you know the actual circulation of tokens left, and do you know why anyone would want to use their Shiba tokens at AMC theaters? That is like the guy who paid a guy 10 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. I think that's a bit different, considering Bitcoin's market cap at that point wasn't even close to $1 billion when that guy paid 10 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Like, it was probably not even $100 million at that point. So that's a bit different. But why would, or we want to be able to use Shib as a form of payment. It adds utility to Shib. It just adds to the overall ecosystem of Shib. That's why we want that. 100,000 to get at least 100 USD, 100,000 for that 1 cent run. I mean, you can get 100 USD for Shib, and if we get to a cent, you will come up on a major bag. Not saying you're going to be a millionaire if you only have $100 worth of Shib at this point, though. Will things get better for Shib in the short term? We're actually doing pretty solid in terms of price action right now. I don't know how short term you mean. Just overall, this Russia war just isn't really vibing with us. One thing that is happening in the overall broader market is that rate hikes are not supposed to be, or not going to be as much as previously thought. Most likely, who knows what will actually happen when those rate hikes do come out. But it's apparently they're going for a much longer term approach. They're not just going to be implementing massive rate hikes right away. They're just going to be consistently having rate hikes over the next couple of months and everything of that nature. So that is actually pretty bullish for the short term for crypto. Long term, it is actually worse for the American people in inflation if we don't do it fast. However, short term for crypto, people might be more might like it more if we do it slower like that. Is the circulation still 549 trillion? Yes, it is. Is there a map of stores that accept crypto? I'm not too sure. All right, guys. Pretty much have said everything I want to say. Make sure you guys follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. We're trying to reach 1,000 followers by the end of the year. You know, some things we went over in today's video or live stream if you guys just got here in terms of Shib news. WireX, the London-based digital payments platform, has added Shiba Inu. They have about 4.6 million users who can now pay for stuff with Shiba Inu. Another thing, the burn rate is up 72% in the last 24 hours. So 35 million Shib has been burned. About 20 million Shib was burned yesterday. We have now overtaken FTX as the biggest token position by dollar value. So the top 100 Ethereum wallets now hold about $1.6 billion worth of Shib compared to FTX, which is 1.4 billion. We have overtaken them once again. And yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I literally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple of weeks ago. So if you guys want to get free stock, then go ahead and get signed up with that link in the chat or in the description. And then also, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get signed up to our private Discord. We set out 3 buy alerts today. So if you guys want to go check out what those are, they're still, you know, you're still able to get into those. So yeah, if you want one-on-one interactions, first looks into new cryptos we're looking into, and or our buy alerts, which we just issued a few trade alerts just a couple hours ago, or about an hour ago, go ahead and get signed up with our private Discord with that link in the chat. But thank you guys all so much for coming through. That's going to be it for this live stream. Trying to get some more live streams out. Really appreciate everyone. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next live stream or video tomorrow. See ya.